I want to talk about machining manufacturing. Okay, my topic is topic 1. It is conventional machining. Conventional machining can be defined as a process using mechanical energy. Okay, there are 3 forms of energy used in non-conventional machining: thermal, chemical, and electrical energy. Okay, there are some example of conventional machining process are manufacturing and milling. Okay, next we have a lathe. Okay, it is conventional lathe. It can be divided into a variety of conventional lathe of a different specification depending on center height and center distance. Okay, in progress. How about the progress? Okay, the progress it may turn into the various trade such as diametric trade, metric trade, and inch trade. Okay, next we move to the milling. Okay, milling is the process of machining using rotary cutters to remove material by advancing a cutter into a workpiece. Okay, the progress it may done by any direction or one or any several acts. Okay, it usually used to measure flat and shape surface and can be used to drill and cut gears. Okay, the benefit it is lower cutting force. Okay, the workforce mean easier mounting for a chip to move away from the working direction. Okay. Now, the computer numerical control machining, or we used to call it as a CNC. Okay, automatic control is possible in different production areas. With the increase of more complex product, the CNC machine was invented. A new industrial renaissance took place after this invention. Okay, I have a 3-axis and 5-axis example. Like 3-axis in machining is most commonly used to produce mechanical component and is best suited for automatic interactive operation, milling slot, and drilling hole. Okay, about 5-axis, it is machining is beneficial when component require a great deal of intricacy coordination. This include increased productivity, higher quality finishes, and this type, importantly, this type of machining is used to automobile, aerospace, and boating industry. It always be used by solid component.
Salam and hi to everyone. Today I'm gonna talk and sharing about the molding manufacturing. So here are my point, which is injection molding, blow molding, compression molding, and rotational molding. First is the injection molding. What is injection molding? Injection molding is a manufacturing process of injecting material into a mold to produce a part. While the most common materials used for injection molding are metals, thermoplastic polymers, and thermosetting polymers. Other possible materials include glass, elastomers, and confections. So this is the machine that we use in injection molding. Secondly, blow molding. Blow molding is a manufacturing process that is used to create hollow plastic parts in inflating a heated plastic tube until it fills a mold and forms the desired shape. See here, this is the machine that we use in blow molding. Other than that, about the compression molding is a forming process that heats and softens a plastic materials in order to achieve a desired shape. So here is the machine compression molding that we usually. Although the rotational molding, commonly referred to rotomolding, is a plastic casting technique used to produce hollow, seamless, and double wall parts. So here is the machine that we use in rotational molding. It is important to choose the right plastic for any plastic injection in automotive parts. So here is the type of automotive parts. First, plastic automobile sunroof. Secondly, door handle components, and plastic components for DVD players.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Adila binti Mustafa Kamal. My main number 211542972. Today I'm gonna sharing with you guys about sharing and forming manufacturing. So what is sheet metal? Sheet metal is a piece of metal whose thickness is between 0.15 mm and 6 mm. Sheet metal can be cut, bent, and structured into nearly any shapes. Generally, two types of operation are performed: cut, forming, and cutting. Sheet metal is used in automobile and trucks, bodies, or many other applications. Sheet metal working terminology: we have three parts, which is punch and punch, stamping press, and stamping. Punch and dash is tools to perform cutting, bending, and drawing. Stamping press, machine tool that perform almost the sheet metal operation. So let's continue. For cutting operation, we have three sections, which is shearing, punching, and blanking. Shearing process using a die and punch, where the exterior portion of the shearing operation is to be discarded. Other cutting operation, we have cut off and parting, slotting, perforating, notching, trimming, shaving, and fine blanking. Forming processes. Forming processes cause the sheet metal to undergo the desired shape change to bend by bending without failure. So in bending, we have two types, which is V bending and H bending. So we talk about dies and presses. For stepping die, we have three components, which is punch, die, and stripper. For the types, we have three also: simple, compounds, and processive. For the presses, we have two types, which is hydraulic and mechanical. Other sheet metal operation with metal tooling, we have three: ironing, coining, embossing, and lancing. For using hydrostatic pressure, we have four, which is current process, rubber pad, hydroforming, and hydraulic fluids. Lots of parts in automotive related with this process. For the example, car door, front and rear hooks, car rooftop. All this part is using in the same method, which is a stamping die operation. And that's all for me. Thank you.